Hi everyone, good day. This is our plants in our house. But before we start, let me tour you in our garden. As you can see, there are so many plants in our house. Because our family believes the more the merrier. So first, let's remove the dyed leaves in our plants. After we remove the dyed leaves, let's start watering the plants. So the next is, let me show you how I take care of my dog. But before we start, let me introduce you my baby. His name is Joshua. He is a gift from my father. So let's start feeding him. So our video ends here. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye. Have a good day.